Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off watermarks photos on your Yalla app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Yalla app. All you have to do, you just go up, you will click here on this picture or your profile on app. Then it's going to take you to next window here. And you just go down here, then you come here to settings, you will click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next window here and you just click here on privacy and it's going to take you to next window here. Then you come here to watermark photos, you will click here on this mark or this color, and like you say color it's gone, that's mean watermark photos it's turned off now. So that's all. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.